Hello Arabic learners, in this lesson I'm going to teach you 4 Egyptian words. We say them every single day. The first word is bas, only 2 letters and it means but. Bas, believe me, we say this word every single day. Let's go to the next one. The next one is yalla. I know you have heard this word one day, but you need to know the meaning of yalla. Yalla means let's. Yalla, let's. Yalla نروح, let's go. Yalla, let's go to the next 2 words. And by the way, the next 2 words have the same meaning. ماشي and تمام. ماشي and تمام. We say these words a lot in our daily life. ماشي and تمام means okay. ماشي تمام. ماشي تمام. So keep these 4 words in your mind, because one day you're gonna listen to one of them or even all of them. That's it.
Oh, I forgot something. If you would like to get online lessons with me, I'm gonna teach you Arabic or even Egyptian Arabic online. Contact me through this WhatsApp number. Have a good day.